New day, new topic. Hello everyone, by the way, I'm Mechille Santos and welcome to my vlog. So for today's video guys, I'll be going to discuss about the reorder point or the ROP and the EOQ or the economic order quantity. So tara, let's go! So what is reorder point or the ROP? So ROP refers to the level of inventory at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero. So in short, mo ni siyang indicator kung kano sa ato mo place ang new order so that dili ta ma out of stock. So I have an example here. So, if the restaurant expected daily usage is 555 jars of honey, the anticipated delivery is 3 to 7 days, place the order on February 28. When will the company place the order? When it will arrive? And what are the safety stock dates? So, in getting the ROP, we have the formula here. So, ROP equals the usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, ato na siyang substitute based sa given example. So, ROP equals usage 555 jars of honey, which is mo na ilang magamit annually, times 3 to 7 days lead time, mo na siyang 3 to 7 days, mo na siyang expected delivery sa jars of honey. Plus, sa safety stock, kaning safety stock is, kung siya, in another word, kay buffer ni siya or emergency stock. So, ang safety stock is 555 jars of honey times 4. Nga nung 4 man. So, ang kaning 4 is, di ka na siya sa lead time, which is 3 to 7 days. So, ato siyang yapon. So, magsugod ta sa 4, di na to siya apil ng 3. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, mauna siya 4 days. So, let's continue. So, ROP equals 555 times 3 days. So, anong 3 days naman natong gi-times diri. So, 3 days, kay mao man na siya ang minimum days nga maabot na ato ang gi-order nga jars of honey. Plus 555 times 4. So, ROP equals 1,665 plus 2,220. So, ROP equals 3,885 jars of honey. So, therefore, the company should make the order when the level of inventory is at 3,885 jars of honey. So, kung maabot na gani og 3,885 jars of honey, ang ilang stock dito is murag mag-alert na sila nga mo place na sila bagong order so that dili sila gani mahuddan og stock. So, nang proceed ta diri. So, place the order on February 28 based sa given example. So, ang lead time is 3 to 7 days. So, minimum lead time kay 3 days and the maximum lead time is 7 days. So, order will arrive sa March 3. So, mag-iyap ta og 3 days which is minimum niya nga lead time. So, February 28, March 1, March 2, March 3. So, mao na March 3 ang order will arrive. Kay mao na yung minimum days nga maabot. So, March 3, 3 days minimum lead times. So, for the safety stock dates is March 3 to March 7. So, mag-iyap ta no, March 3, March 4, March 5, March 6, March 7. So, muna siya 4 days. Muna siya ang safety stock dates. So, that's all for the ROP. Now, let's proceed to the EOQ or the economic order quantity. So, ang EOQ, mao ni siyang baseline if pila tong orderon, allowing us to meet demand and to avoid overspending. So, we have an example here. So, number of jars of honey required annually is 10,000. The cost of placing an order is 10 pesos. And the annual carrying cost per year of jar of inventory is 0.80 pesos. So, we have to determine the following. First is the EOQ. The second will be the numbers of order per year. The next will be the total ordering cost per year. And fourth is the average inventory. And then fifth is the total carrying cost per year. And then the last is the total cost. So now, let us first solve the EOQ. So, the formula for EOQ equals the square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So, let's substitute. So, the square root of 2 times O, which is the cost of placing an order, which is 10 pesos, times the number of jars of honey required annually, which is the N, which is the 10,000 jars, divided by the annual carrying cost per year, which is the 0.80. So, EOQ equals 500 jars. So, now let's proceed to the NO. The formula for NO is NO equals N divided by EOQ. So, sa'yo na kayo siya guys, i-divide na nimo ang number of jars of honey required annually ug ang EOQ. So, atong i-substitute na NO equals 10,000 jars times 500 jars. Kaning 500 jars is gikan siya sa EOQ. So, NO equals 20 orders. So, the next will be the TOC. So, NO times OC. TOC equals 20 orders times 10 pesos. Total ordering cost equals 200 pesos. The next will be the average inventory. So, the formula for average inventory is AI equals AOQ divided by 2. So, sa'yo na sa siya guys, kaya ito na siyang i-divide ang EOQ into 2. So, AI equals 500 jars, which is ang EOQ divided by 2. So, average inventory equals 250 jars. So, the next will be the TCC or the total carrying cost per year. So, the formula for TCC is TCC equals AI times CC. So, TCC equals 250 jars, which is the AI or the average inventory times 0.80 pesos. So, total carrying cost equals 200 pesos. So, lastly will be the total cost. So, the formula for total cost is TOC times CC or TOC, which means the total ordering cost plus the total carrying cost per year. So, ito siyang i-substitute. So, TC equals TOC, which is 200, plus TCC, which is also 200, is equals to total cost is 400 pesos. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from me. Babush! See you in my next vlog.